The method contains method, trim method, character, index, substring. Okay, these are the methods we discussed previously about the string concepts. Okay, and also how to implement these methods. What is the output when we implement these methods over the string? These are the concepts we learn from the string methods. Okay. We already know this. Length method will give the number of characters. Two uppercase will convert the entire string into the lowercase. Two uppercase into uppercase. Two lowercase into lowercase. Okay. Trim will remove the spaces. Length will give the number of characters. Okay. And contains will check either available or not. Okay. And the character will give the character at a particular position. Okay. And index of will give the position of that particular character will return. And substring will give the, if I want a partial string, we can go with the substring method. In the substring method, it will take two parameters, starting index, end index. End index should be always n minus 1. N minus 1 we have learned from the previous session. Okay. If you even still not at practice, please do the practice all these sessions. Okay. These are the things we have done as a part of yesterday's session. And today we are going to discuss about flow control statements. Today we are going to discuss on flow control statement. Anyone know about flow control statements? Sir, flow control statements. You all learn some BTech. మీరు BTech లో వినింటారండి flow control statements. Like for loop, while loop, do while loop, if loop, if else loop. There are different types of flow control statements will be there. Like I can say that, let's say for example, if loop, okay, if else, and if else if and do, okay, do while, okay, do while, and switch, okay, and for loop, okay, and for each loop, for each loop, okay. These are the different types of looping statements available inside the Java. If else if, okay, if else, do while, switch, for loop, for each loop, okay. These are the statements which are used to check the conditions, okay. What is the use of flow control statements? These are mainly used to check the conditions. Mainly used to check the conditions in Java. Okay. If any use cases, see, we are going to check the conditions. Let's see, for example, if let's see, if syntax. How if syntax will be there like this? Very simple case. If condition. Okay. Inside the body. It's called inside body. Inside body. Okay. See, if condition, okay, let's assume if condition, whatever the condition here it may be, condition here should be either true or false. Either true or false. True or false. If the condition is true, then happily it is going to execute this inside body. Okay. If my condition is true, okay. If my condition is true, happily true area will get executed. This true area will get executed. Okay. If the condition is true, happily true area will get executed. If the condition is false, automatically false area will get executed. Sir, where is the false area? Let's see. For example, int age is equal to 10. 10. If age greater than or equal to 10, నువ్వు ఇచ్చిన ఏజ్ 10కి సమానమైన లేకుంటే 10 కన్నా ఎక్కువైనా Then this condition will become what, sir? Is it true or false? 10 greater than or equal to 10. Is it true or false? Is it true or false?
True.
True, sir. True. Odd happily, true area will get executed. Happily, true area will get executed. What's a very simple, sir. If the statement is true, then happily true area will get executed. Let me show some examples. If int age is equal to 21, 21. Okay. If let's see, if age greater than or equal to 18, what it is going to print? You are eligible for system dot out dot println system dot out dot println eligible for what, sir? Eligible for eligible for marriage? No, voter ID. Voter ID. Okay. In this way, if the condition is false, let's assume my age is my age is 17. Is it true, sir? Is it true or false, sir? Condition 17 greater than or equal to 18. Is it greater than, sir? Is it equal to, sir? Happily
False.
it will false.
False.
Then this true area, this true area won't get executed. Executed. It will area executed. I want to execute false statement also. My requirement is my requirement is to execute execute false area also. False area and కూడా execute చేయాలి, sir. How is it possible, sir? See, there is one statement is there. If else, if condition, okay, this is called true area. This is called what, sir? This is called true area execution. Okay, and else, this is which area, sir? Which area, sir? This false area,
False.
False.
false area execution. Okay, if the condition is true, happily, which area will execute, sir? My condition is
True.
true. True. Which area will execute? True area will get executed. If the condition is false, happily, which area is going to execute, sir? Which area? Happily, false area. False area. False means false area going to execute. True means true area will going to execute. Sir, I can implement same thing, sir. Same thing, sir. If I can giving one my age. Int age is equal to some 22. 22. If age greater than or equal to 25, 25, what is the eligibility, sir? What is the eligibility criteria? System dot out dot println criteria eligible for marriage. Marriage. Okay, eligible for marriage. Else, if my age is less than that, okay, if my age is less than 25, what is my eligible criteria?
Water.
Not out that println not eligible for marriage. Please wait. Not eligible for marriage. Marriage. Okay, and then please wait. Okay, in this way we need to provide. When this going to execute, sir? When my condition is true. When my condition is true, happily true area will get executed. True area will get executed. If my condition is false, which area will execute, sir? If my condition is false, which area will execute? This area,
False.
sir. False area will get executed. Will get executed. Sir, I have one more thing, sir. Sir, what is the return type of equals method, sir? What is the return type of equals method, sir? Sir, return type, sir. We already discussed. Return type of
Boolean.
very good.
Boolean.
Others. Make numeric others also need response, sir. Boolean, see, sir. I'm going to take string string ss is equal to ss is equal to I can say that ss is equal to Hyderabad. Hyderabad. If I ss dot equals okay dot equals to Hyderabad. Hyderabad. Okay. If both are equal, then which area will execute, sir? Okay.
True area.
True area. Is it true or false, sir? Is it true or false? Happily
True.
true, sir. Why? My expected and actual both are same. This is my this is my actual. This is my expected. Okay. I can say that. Okay. You are in right city. You are in right city. Else, else, system dot out dot println. Okay. Please check your city. Please check your city. Sir, then which is going to execute, sir? Is it true or false, sir? Hyderabad is equal to Hyderabad, true or false, sir? True or
True.
false? Sir? True.
True.
Then what is going to execute, sir? Then what is going to execute? Either true area or false area? True area
True
or
area.
false area? True area means what it is going to print, sir? You are in right city is going to print, sir. You are in right city is going to print. So let's assume, sir, I have done small h. Now which area is going to execute, sir? True area or false area? True area or false area? Sir, false area, sir. I already
False.
conveyed. Equals method is always case sensitive. We already know that. Make a note, sir. I am repeating one more time. Equals method is always case sensitive. Case sensitive means it will check both capital letters and small letters. It will check both capital and small letters. Both what, sir? Both capital and small letters. Okay, it should be same. Letters should be same. Okay, okay. Is it fine, sir, everyone? Equals method is case sensitive. It will check capital and small letters should be same. Hello, I am audible.
It's audible.
Okay, okay. Now,
Mohan, I have a doubt.
yes, yes. We'll discuss some other time. If
Mohan,
you want, no topic. Vishnu.
okay, okay, okay.
Okay. Sir, I want to make this as a case. Sir, I want to ignore the case sensitive. How to ignore case sensitive? How to ignore case sensitive?
Equals ignore.
Very good. By using equals equals ignore ignore case method is used to ignore method used to ignore. Okay, sir. Now see, sir. Same. String s is equal to string s is equal to. I can say that some student name Ram. Okay, Ram. If s dot equals ignore case Ram. Okay, equals ignore case Ram. Then this true area is going to print system dot out dot println expected student found. Expected student found. If it is false, which area is going to execute, sir? Which area is going to execute, sir? False
False.
area is going to execute. System dot out dot println. Okay. Expected student not found. Not found. Please check. Please check once. Okay. Okay. No, if I no, so no, is it true error? Is it true or false? Is it true or false? RAM
True.
equal signal case of RAM. True. Which area is going to execute, sir? True area or
True.
false area?
True
True
area.
area. So what is the output for true area, sir? What is the output for true area?
Ex-
Okay, expected student
Expected student for
and found. Okay, okay, expected student found. In this way, we are going to use equal if else. Okay, if else. There is one more statement is there, sir. If and I want multiple conditions. I have multiple conditions. I have multiple conditions. Then we need to use what, sir? If else, if. Okay. Vishnu, you are asking something. Can you go ahead?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. In if else condition, we have both true and false.
Hmm.
In if condition, we have only true conditions.
Yes, yes. If it
So,
is
what is the
true,
use of?
okay. If I want to execute only true condition, if I want to execute only true condition, we need to go with if. If I want both pa- positive and negative scenario, then we can go for if else. Okay. If I want to check only if condition, I want to require he is Ram. Okay. Tell me. If he is not Ram, I don't require any output. Then I can go with if. If it is true, print true area. If I want to print false area also, go with else. Okay, go with else. Okay, I want to provide the information to the end user. If it is not met the criteria, I can go with the else block. Okay, if I don't need to send the information to the end user after not meeting the criteria, I can go only with the if condition. Okay. ఓకే
Okay.
ఆ యూజర్ మెట్ అయినప్పుడు నేను నెగిటివ్ తను మెట్ కాని రీజన్ కూడా పంపించాలంటే కనుక ఐ కెన్ గో విత్ ఎల్స్ బ్లాక్ ఓకే ఓకే ఐ హావ్ మల్టిపుల్ కండిషన్ దెన్ వీ నీడ్ టు గో టు యూజ్ ఇఫ్ ఎల్స్ ఇఫ్ లెట్స్ సే int int mset rank I am saying that mset rank like 1000. Let's see, sir. If rank mset rank mset rank mset rank is less than or equal to 1000, sir, is less than similar, sir? Yes or no? Is it less than or
Yes.
greater than?
yes, sir.
Okay.
Less
If
than.
mset rank is less than or equal to 1000, I can say that system.out.println eligible to get seat in where, sir? In top universities. Top universities. Okay. Okay. Else, sir. I have one more condition. ఎల్స్ ఇఫ్ అంత ర్యాంక్ రాకుంటే పర్లేదు, ఈ విధమైన వచ్చిందా ఎల్స్ ఇఫ్ ఓకే ఎంసెట్ ర్యాంక్ లెస్ దాన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 10,000. వాట్ ఈస్ ఎలిజిబుల్, సార్? యూ విల్ గెట్ టాప్ ప్రైవేట్ యూనివర్సిటీస్ ఎలిజిబుల్ టు గెట్ సీట్ ఇన్ టాప్ ప్రైవేట్ యూనివర్సిటీస్. Private universities. Okay. Okay, don't check the spelling, sir. Okay. I want one more condition. Else if one more condition. MSET rank less than or equal to some 50,000. సార్ ఇప్పుడు లెస్ దాన్ 50,000 అంటే 10,000 లోపల కూడా ఉంటుంది కదా సార్? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? దెన్ వీ నీడ్ టు మేక్ సమ్ అదర్ కండిషన్ అండ్ ఎంసెట్ ర్యాంక్ లెస్ దాన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 10,000. and greater than or equal. I want to make a less than 10 and greater than or equal to 1000. What is the condition, sir? నా ర్యాంక్ 10,000 లోపల లేకపోతే 1000 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉంటే గనక టాప్ యూనివర్సిటీలో సీట్ వస్తుంది. నా ఇఫ్ మై ర్యాంక్ ఈజ్ లెస్ దాన్ 50,000 మల్టిపుల్ కండిషన్స్ సార్ అండ్ ఎంసెట్ ఎంసెట్ ర్యాంక్ ఈజ్ ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 10,001 ఈజ్ 1001 సార్ 1001 ఓకే 1001 కు సమానమైన 1001 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉన్నా కానీ ఇంత లోపల ఉన్న 10,000 లోపల ఉన్న you will get top universities. Okay, you will get seat in any college. Get yes seat in any BTech college, or I can say that any engineering college. Okay, sir. Any engineering college. Else, finally, else. If no statement is met, sir, sir, ఇది ఒక స్టేట్మెంట్ సార్, ఇది ఒక స్టేట్మెంట్ సార్, ఇది ఒక స్టేట్మెంట్ సార్. ఇంకా ఇంతకన్నా ఎక్కువ ర్యాంక్ వస్తే ఇంకా ఐ కెన్ సే దట్ బెటర్ టు గో లాంగ్ టర్మ్ కోచింగ్. బెటర్ టు గో వాట్ సార్? బెటర్ టు గో లాంగ్ టర్మ్ కోచింగ్. Long-term coaching. Okay, sir. If you are not satisfied with this information, sir, better to go long-term or better to join degree, whatever it may be. So with multiple conditions, what we need to use? If else if. If it is only print the single statement without else statement, go with if. I want to print both true error and false error. I want to go with if else.
Yes.
Okay, one condition, go with if else. Multiple conditions, okay, go with if else if. Okay, if else if. Sir, I am going to use these some real-time examples. Okay, I am going to use this some real-time examples in Eclipse. Try to understand, sir. We are going to switch to our project location because it's some other project now. Our project is my project now. So previously what we discussed, sir, we discussed about the string concepts, methods, and basics of Java. Now we are going to discuss about flow control statements. Okay, I am going to create new package. Sir, what is the syntax for package? Com dot project name dot project name dot package name.
Okay.
Okay, I can say that flow control session. In this package, I'm going to create new class. I can say that my code execution. Okay. Can you help me, sir? Main method. What is main method, sir? Main method is the location where we are going to write our business logic and directly we can execute.
Okay.
And directly, so let's see, sir. I have one condition. In the age is equal to 60. If age greater than or equal to 60. Sir, what is the eligible criteria, sir? Eligible for what, sir? For pension. For pension. Else, else, what is your eligibility, sir? Not eligible for pension. Not eligible for pension. Not eligible for pension. So what happens, sir? If this statement is true, which area is going to execute, sir? If this statement is true, which area is going to execute, sir? True area will get executed. True area will get executed. If statement is false, sir, this false area will get executed. False area will get executed. True అయితే true area execute అవుతుంది. False అయితే ఏ area execute అవుతుంది, sir? Which area is going to execute? False area. Okay. If my given statement is true area will get executed. If my given statement is false area will get executed. I don't want false area. I want only true area. Okay అయితే information okay. Not okay అయితే I don't require to pass any information. See, nothing will print. Okay. If it is met happily, it is going to print eligible for pension. Sir, I don't want any else block. I don't want to give any information or over the failure cases. Okay. See, nothing is going to print. Nothing is going to print. Okay. If I don't require to provide any negative information, then we can go for only if condition. Okay. If we don't require any false statement, then happily we implement, then we can use what, sir? We can use only if block. Okay. ఎప్పుడు only if block use చేయాలి, sir? If you don't require any false statement, then we can use only if block. Okay. If I want to print both true area and false area, then I can go with if and else if statement. Sir, if my age is 55, not eligible for my pension. Yes or no? Not eligible for pension. Sir, I want to print both true area and false area. Then we need to go which approach, sir? Then we need to go with if else approach. If I don't require to, if I required both false, both true and false area, both true and false statement, then we are going to use what, sir? Then we are going to use what, sir? If else. Okay. If else. Sir, my requirement is multiple conditions. See, sir, I am going to take one more class. My code test. Sir, whatever it may be, sir, you can put your name also, sir. Here, instead of my code test, you can put your name also. It will happily execute. Okay. It will happily execute. Sir, I am going to give you some other things, sir. Int salary is equal to some 30,000. So see, sir, if salary less than or equal to 30,000. Sir, what is the output, sir? My salary తక్కువ అయితే ఏం సార్ నీ ప్రాబ్లం? Okay, you will you will eligible eligible for eligible for only 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs what, sir? 10 lakhs what, sir? 10 lakhs what, sir? Dowry. Okay. Else, I have one more condition. Else, if. What is the else if condition, sir? Else if condition. Can anyone tell me? If salary greater than or equal to 30,000 and salary less than or equal to 50,000. Okay. What is your eligibility, sir? Your eligibility up to 15 lakhs or 20 lakhs. Your eligibility dowry is 20 lakhs. Nowadays, sir. Nowadays, parents are thinking like this. And I can have one more condition. If my salary is greater than 50,000, okay, okay, greater than 50,000, okay, and if your salary is greater than 50,000 and less than 1 lakh, happily, no parents are ready to pay. No parents are ready to pay up to 30 to 40 lakhs of dowry. Up to 40 lakhs of dowry. Okay. So just I am saying kidding, sir. Not for the purpose of not for purpose of some other, sir. Just information question, sir. Sir, what is the output, sir? If my salary is 30,000, sir. If my salary is 30,000, what is going to print? It is greater than. If my condition is first one true, sir. Why, sir? Because 30,000 is not greater than, not less than, but it is equal. Here, sir, here two conditions, sir. It should be greater than 30 and maybe it may be like this, sir. Then E condition could met out, sir. Okay. And means both statement has to made. Both statement has to made. Both statement has to made. Okay. Sir, you are eligible for only 10 lakhs of dowry. If my salary is 42,000, okay, some amount of 43,000. Sir, what is my eligibility criteria, sir? You are eligible for 20 lakhs. Sir. If my salary is more than 1,20,000, I am getting 1,20,000 of salary. I am getting some 50K also, sir. 50L also, sir. Okay, 50L also, sir. In this way, we are eligible for. In this way, if salary is less than or greater than, sorry, here less than. What happens, sir? 1 second, sir. If I did any mistake, salary greater than two condition అంటే రెండు మెట్ కావాలి సార్ సారీ బోత్ హ్యాస్ టు మెట్ బోత్ మెట్ కాలేదు కాబట్టి ఈ అండ్ ఆర్ ఐ కెన్ టేక్ ఆర్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఆర్ సింబల్ సార్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఆర్ సింబల్ నో హ్యాపీలీ ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ ఓకే ఇక్కడే కండిషన్ మెట్ అయినట్టుంది సార్ మేబీ 1 second సార్ బాగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేసాం శాలరీ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 30,000 ఓకే we need to use end condition maybe I confuse sir 1 second 30,000 లోపల పైన ఉండాలి అండ్ 50,000 లోపల ఉండాలి ఓకే అండ్ it should be greater than 50 and less than 1 lakh and I can take one more block sir else if salary greater than above 1 lakh you can demand, you can demand, you can demand dowry. 1,20,000 salary. 1 second, sir. The 50,000 and తీసుకున్నాం, sorry. ఈ కండిషన్స్ లోపలే ఉండాలి కాబట్టి we are going to use and. Then happily it will print, sir. No problem. You can demand dowry. So see the condition, sir. If the salary is less than 30,000 or equal to 30,000, you will get only 10 lakhs dowry. If your salary end means both the statement has to match, sir. Make a note of. If you are using end statement, both the statement has to match. Okay, make a note, sir. Both the statement has to match. Both the statement has to match. Has to match. When, sir? When you are using one and statement. When you are using, sorry, sir. When you are using and statement. Okay. జావాలో వచ్చేసి double end ఇస్తే ఇంకా it is end statement, sir. And if you use R symbol, any one of the statement has to matter. Any one of the statement, any one of the statement has to match. Okay. When you are using which statement, sir? When you are using the R statement. Okay, this is called R statement, sir. R statement. Okay, R statement. When you are using R statement, then what we need to use, sir? If any one of the statement is matched, it's enough, sir. Okay. Okay. Very, very important, sir. Okay. In this way, we are going to use and R statements. I can use some other thing also, sir. I can also think, sir. I can give some other names, sir. Some other age also. Into age equal to some 25. 25. Okay. If age greater than, if age less than or equal to 25, what is the issue, sir? Here, what happened? You will get very good girl, nice girl, something nice or pretty good. Okay. If your age is 30, what happens, sir? If your age is 30, then 1 second, sir. We need to pass above. This the end of the statement called kudad, sir. Ikkada pass cheyali, sir. If I want to write anything, here we have to write. Remove this. ఇది సార్ ఇక్కడికి ఎల్సి బ్లాక్ అయిపోయింది సార్, ఇక్కడికి మెయిన్ మెథడ్ అయిపోయింది. సో మనం మెయిన్ మెథడ్ లోపలే లాజిక్స్ రాయాలి సార్. మెయిన్ మెథడ్ బయట లాజిక్స్ రాస్తే ఇంకా ఇట్ విల్ గివ్ కంపైల్ టైమ్ ఎర్రర్. ఓకే. ఇలానే సేమ్ ఇఫ్ యూర్ ఏజ్ ఈస్ యూ విల్ గెట్ నైస్ గర్ల్ అండ్ ఐ కెన్ గో విత్ సమ్ అదర్ బ్లాక్స్ ఆల్సో. else if I have some other statements. Age less greater than or equal to greater than less than or equal to 30. If my age is less than 30, and what is my eligibility criteria, sir? And greater than and age greater than 25. Okay, still you are eligible for marriage. Still eligible to get a nice girl. Okay. Else if some other conditions, multiple conditions under, sir. Okay, I can say that age less than are equal to less than or equal to what's that 35 and age greater than or equal to 40. Okay, okay. You need to compromise and marry. You need to. So I will check one more thing. Sir. You need to compromise and marriage. Sir.
Mohan, Mohan, that
I'll
logic
check.
is
I'll check. Something is messy there.
age,
Okay, age. If my age
age
is
greater than.
greater than greater than 35 and my age is less than 40, okay, less than or equal to 40. Here also, if my age is greater than or equal to 30, okay, sorry, less than 30 and greater than 25. Is it fine, sir? Is it fine? Any mistake,
Yes,
please let me know, sir. Okay,
yes,
okay. You will get nice girl, you will get handy chance girl, sir. If my age is 35 to 40, you need to compromise and manage. Really, sir, this is the fact going, sir, nowadays in the market. Okay, based upon the age criteria, then it is going to, we'll get the output, sir. So whatever the code is giving the output, the same thing the environment also going to provide, sir. Okay, you need to compromise and marriage. Seriously, sir. So my humble suggestion is please marriage as early as possible. So job will get any time, sir. Okay, but you don't get better girl, sir, better partner. Seriously, there is n number of careers is there, sir, to get you jobs. N number of opportunities there in the market. You'll go either with fake experience also. You won't get married without fake with fake experience. Okay, whoever still not yet married after 30 also, registration. Better to create account for that marriage bureau, sir. Lot of marriage bureaus is there, no? Okay, in this way, we need to use if else, like this way, we need to use some conditions, sir. And if I have switch state, sir, this is the one type of multiple cases, sir. In the same way, we have another approach to define the multiple cases. I have multiple cases. I have one more approach to define multiple cases. Into, I can say that char. Let's use syntax for switch cases. Switch cases. So switch cases కు syntax చెప్తా చూడండి సార్. సేమ్ as if else సార్. Else if ఎలానో switch కూడా అలానే సార్. When we want to use multiple conditions, we need to go with switch cases. When when we want to use multiple conditions, then we have to use what, sir? Then we have to use switch cases. సార్ మీకు డౌట్ వచ్చేస్తారు సార్, ఆల్రెడీ మన దగ్గర ఇఫ్ ఎల్స్ ఇఫ్ ఉంది కదా, మళ్ళీ స్విచ్ ఎందుకు వాడాలనేసి. ఇఫ్ ఎల్స్ ఇఫ్ ఓన్లీ 5 to 6 conditions. If I want to use some hundreds of conditions, okay, if I want to use some hundreds of conditions, better to go with switch cases. If I want to use hundreds of conditions, I want to use hundreds of conditions, కొన్ని వందల conditions I want to use, hundreds of conditions, then we need to use what, sir? Then we need to use switch cases. What, sir? Switch cases we need to use, sir. Sir, basically, if you enter into any bedroom, sir, you will find multiple switches like tube light, like I can say that washing machine, TV, mobile charging, laptop charging, yes or no? Fan, AC, geyser, yes or no? In this way only switch cases. Whatever the switch will pass, based upon that case is going to execute. If you pass first switch, what happens? Tube light will switch on. If you pass second switch, automatically fan will switch on. Based upon the respective cases, those cases will get executed in the inside the switch cases. See, try to see, sir. I'm going to show you syntax. Char char grade. Let's say some switch. మీ syntax చెప్తున్నా సార్. Switch condition. Switch condition. Okay. And cases, sir. Cases. Case condition 1. Condition 1. I can say that print some business logic. Business logic. Okay. And break this logic. Okay. And I have multiple cases. I am taking case 2. I am taking case 2. Condition true. Business logic. Okay. And I have case 3. Case 3. See, based upon condition, if it is condition 1, what is going to execute, sir? Condition 1 is going to execute. If the condition is something 5, what it is going to execute, sir? Condition 5 is going to execute. What is going to execute, sir? Condition 5 is going to execute. Okay. If no condition is met, sir, sometime na condition could met kaakabodhu, sir. Then default is going to execute. What it is going to execute, sir? Then default is going to execute, sir. If no condition is met, automatically default is going to execute. Sorry, no condition is met. No condition met. Okay. If no condition is met, who is going to execute certain switch cases? Default is going to execute. Sir, if else ఒక 5 స్టేట్మెంట్స్ 3 స్టేట్మెంట్స్ అయితే మనం if else వెళ్తాం సార్. అలా కాకుండా మనకు we have some hundreds of conditions, then happily we need to go with switch cases. Switch cases. Let's see, I can say that int condition, something is equal to condition 5. Okay. If I pass this parameter, what is this value, sir? Condition 5. What is going to execute, sir? Condition 5 is going to execute. Same, sir. If else ఎట్లనో ఇది కూడా అంతే, సార్. ఏమంటే ఇంకా the way of implementation is different. But internal mechanism is same. Okay. Switch and if else if both are same. Okay. Internal mechanism is same, but implementation is different. Okay. If else if both are same in terms of what, sir? In terms of internal mechanism. In terms of internal mechanism. But way of implementation is different, sir. Okay. I can show you, sir. I can show you some one example. Try to understand, sir. Sir, I am taking some int grade. Not int grade. I can say that character. Sir, character will be defined with which data type, sir? Which data type is used to define characters, sir? Char grade. Yes or no? Char is used to define. Okay. B. If my grade is B, I am taking switch. Just a switch case expressions. I am going to take a grade. Okay. If my grade is A, then I can say that A grade business logic. You got 90% marks. You got 90% marks. I have some other grades also, sir. Okay, this is one case, sir, and this is one more case, sir. Case B, you got 80% marks. Okay, I have to take multiple cases. Multiple cases. Case C, you got how much, sir? You got some 65 percentage. Okay, if I got D grade, if I got D grade, okay, you just got pass marks. You just got pass marks. Pass marks. Okay. If no statement is matched, not not qualified. Qualified. Okay. Please try again. Please try again. Okay. Not qualified. Please try again. Okay. If you, sir, what is going to execute, sir? If any case, what is my case, sir? B case. So why I am using break statement, sir? అంటే నాకు కండిషన్ మెట్ అయిన తర్వాత మిగతా కండిషన్స్ చెక్ చేయకుండా ఉండడానికి వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు యూజ్ బ్రేక్. ఇక్కడ సమ్ థౌజండ్స్ ఆఫ్ కండిషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి సార్. ఇప్పుడు నా కండిషన్ మెట్ అయిన తర్వాత ఇంకా అవసరం లేదు నాకు. ఇఫ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు స్టాప్ ద ఆఫ్టర్ మెట్టింగ్ మై కండిషన్, ఇఫ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు స్టాప్ ద లూప్, ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు యూజ్ ద బ్రేక్ స్టేట్మెంట్. నా కండిషన్, నా క్రైటీరియా మెట్ అయిన తర్వాత నా ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ స్టాప్ చేయాలంటే ఇంకా వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు యూజ్ break statement. We are going to use, sir, please go on mute, sir, yourself. Okay. Okay. Why we need to use break statement, sir? After meeting my requirement, if I want to stop the execution, then I am going to use what, sir? Break statement.
Right.
Okay. Sir, then see, sir, what it is going to execute, sir? Not qualified. Not qualified. Try again. Not qualified. Please try again. Okay. Not qualified. Please try again. Okay. Sir, now interviewer will ask you, sir, default statement is mandatory. Is default statement is mandatory? Interview ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా అడుగుతారు సార్, వాళ్ళకి ఏం పని లేకుండా. ఈజ్ default స్టేట్మెంట్ ఈజ్ మ్యాండేటరీ. ఖచ్చితంగా వాడాలా సార్ మ్యాండేటరీ ఇన్ స్విచ్ కేసెస్? ఖచ్చితంగా ఉండాలి సార్. ట్రై టు అండర్స్టాండ్ సార్. నో, చూడండి సార్, డిఫాల్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ తీసేసినా కూడా ఇది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది. Okay, చూడండి సార్, still default statement is not there. Happily it is going to execute. Why? Nothing is going to print. Nothing is going to print. Why? If no condition is met, then only default. If default is mandatory, sir, default రాకుండా ఏమైనా ఎర్రర్ వచ్చిందా సార్? Is any error without default? Okay, no, default statement is not mandatory in where, sir? In switch cases. No, default statement is not mandatory. Okay, default statement asal mandatory kaadu, is not mandatory. It's optional. It's optional in switch cases. ఇది ఖచ్చితంగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి సార్. ఇంటర్వ్యూలో స్విచ్ కేసెస్ మీద లాజిక్ రాయడం ఎంత ఇంపార్టెంట్ అడుగుతారో ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా అడుగుతారు సార్. డిఫాల్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ మ్యాండేటరీ. వాట్ ఇస్ ద యూజ్ ఆఫ్ బ్రేక్, సార్? టు బ్రేక్ ద కండిషన్ ఆఫ్టర్ మీటింగ్ అవర్ క్రైటీరియా. దిస్ స్టేట్మెంట్ is used to break the condition after meeting our criteria. మన కండిషన్ మెట్ అయినప్పుడు మాత్రమే ఉన్నా. బ్రేక్ ద స్టేట్మెంట్ ఆఫ్టర్ మెట్టింగ్ after meeting our criteria. ఓకే, మనకు కావాల్సిన క్రైటీరియా మెట్ అయితే కనుక ఇప్పుడు నాకు బి గ్రేడ్ సార్, బి గ్రేడ్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత నాకు సిడి అవసరం లేదు సార్. వాట్ ఐ నీడ్ టు డూ? బ్రేక్. నాకు కావాల్సింది నాకు వచ్చింది, ఇంకా ఇవన్నీ ఎందుకు ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయాలి సార్? ఐ డోంట్ రిక్వైర్ టు ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్ because I already find my required statement. Then no need to execute. So I am using break statement. If you are not using break statement, every statement will execute. అన్ని స్టేట్మెంట్స్ చెక్ చేసుకుంటా పోతారు సార్. నువ్వు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నువ్వు వచ్చేసి ఏ గ్రేడ్ ఇచ్చాను సార్, ఏ గ్రేడ్ ఇస్తానే ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది సార్. ఇక్కడికి వస్తుంది ఏ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ, సో ఇది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది. బ్రేక్ లేదనుకోండి సార్, ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి మళ్ళీ చెక్ చేస్తుంది, మళ్ళీ చెక్ చేస్తుంది, మళ్ళీ చెక్ చేస్తుంది. ఎందుకు? మనం బ్రేక్ పెట్టలే కాదు. బ్రేక్ అంటే కనుక మన కండిషన్ మెట్ అయిన తర్వాత బయటికి రమ్మని చెప్పేదాన్ని వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు యూస్ బ్రేక్ బ్రేక్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఇన్ జావా. బ్రేక్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఇన్ జావా. And I am giving one task, sir. And please practice this if else by using student MCET ranks. Okay, MCET ranks use చేసేసి as of now what we discussed, sir, if okay, if else, if switch, these are the cases we discussed as a part of this class. Okay, as a part of this class we discuss these all the statements: if else, if and switch. Okay, switch is used for multiple cases. Okay, and sir, same sir, use this sir. For example, use this. ఇలా ఇంకోటి కూడా రాయండి సార్. ఎలా రాస్తారంటే ఇంకా నాకు టాస్క్ ఇలా ట్రై చేయండి సార్. యూజ్ వన్ బెడ్రూమ్, యూజ్ వన్ బెడ్రూమ్, use one bedroom, use switches, and print output, ఎలా ప్రింట్ చేయాలి సార్? let's see I have one switch, int switch is equal to 1. sir, case 1 అయితే ఏం ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది సార్? మనకి కేస్ 1 స్విచ్ 1 వేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది సార్? ఓకే, ట్యూబ్ లైట్ విల్ పవర్ ఆన్, ట్యూబ్ లైట్ will power on. Okay, and break end of the statement, sir. And case 2, in this way you need to try, sir. Tube lights, లేకపోతే ఇంకా మొబైల్స్ వచ్చేసి గెస్చర్స్, 1 లాంగ్ ప్రెస్ కాల్ టు డాడ్, 2 లాంగ్ ప్రెస్ కాల్ టు మామ్, 3 లాంగ్ ప్రెస్ కాల్ టు గర్ల్ ఫ్రెండ్, 4 లాంగ్ ప్రెస్ కాల్ టు some colleague, 5 long press call to some other family members. You already know, sir, in old mobiles, if I press long press 1, 2, 3, 4, automatically that will switches to multiple mobile numbers. Yes or no? Try like this as a part of today task. Okay, very important, sir. Please complete the task, sir, and post in our group, sir, who have done your task, sir. Okay, these are the things we discussed as a part of our today's session. Tomorrow we are going to discuss about for loop, for each loop, while loop, and do while loop. Very important, sir. In your BTech you'll confuse, sir. Now I'll give full clarification over this for loop, for each loop, while loop, and do while loop. Okay, which means I can provide you as much as perception. Okay, మీకు వాటి బాగా అవగాహన కలిగిస్తాను. No need to worry, sir. And that's all for today's session, sir. Anyone have any questions? Please let me know. Maybe Monday wala ఈరోజు చాలా మంది లీవ్ పెట్టినట్టున్నారు. We'll see. Okay. Anyone have any questions? Himaja, Chandra, Navyasri, Pravalika, Brahma, Radha, whoever it may be. Okay. If you don't have any questions, I can take it as a no. Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. And have a nice day, sir. I'm going to show this recording and I'm going to share your notes. Please practice, sir. We'll connect tomorrow same time 7 a.m. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye, guys.